Good morning. Welcome to math this week. Last week, after doing some estimating of the product and multiplying tens, hundreds, and thousands, we're going to go into the distributive property. This is just a good to know slide, so there's really nothing we need to do on this one. So we'll go to the next one. And this is just good to know as well. It tells us what the distributive property is, tells us what a sum is, and we're going to be investigating as to what a product is, and you learned a lot of that in third grade. So we're going to use the distributive property to multiply these two numbers. These are our factors, and one of our factors is a base fact, 7. 89 is not a base fact. That is not something that we would look at a multiplication chart and figure out our product. So we're going to take our 7. We don't need to change that at all, but we are going to break apart or use expanded form so that our numbers become base fact numbers. I'm going to take my 10s out and get 80. I'm going to take my 1s out and I have 9. I just broke apart that number. Now I'm going to distribute that 7 across both parts of that 89. This is multiplication. So 7 times 80 is 560. Stay with my addition sign there. I'm going to distribute the 7 to my 1s, which were 9 of them, so that's 63. And now I'd simplify this. I'd just write my two add-ins over here, making sure that you line up your 10s with your 10s and your 1s with your 1s, and we do not have hundreds in this case. We would end up with 563. That is the product of these two numbers. That's the distributive property. In the next slide, we're going to learn a little bit more, do a couple more examples.